Hey folks, we had a bit of flooding. We were able to punch our way out of the driveway this morning. Got a good undercarriage wash on the car, on the Subaru. But this is our side yard. It's the front. That road was underwater this morning. That right there in the driveway is where we got the undercarriage wash. Here's our two nesting pairs. Hi guys. Got a few visitors in the pond. Lake. Yep. Oh, we got a little dispute going. But as you can see, everything out back's underwater. The road to the barn's under water. The oxen are set for a few days, so they're alright. But everything's okay here. I want to give a special shout out to Max Kander. Hey buddy. Haven't forgotten you. Hope to see you in Concord on the 13th this month. Folks, so much better